Dateline, Pittsburgh, February 6th, 2010. A massive snowstorm buried the city, paralyzing city streets and leaving many motorists stranded. City residents struggled to dig out from under the massive snowfall, and many took extreme measures to secure hard-won parking spaces. The storm was a boon to independent snowplow operators, as there was not a city truck to be seen for hours after the big blow. The storm started on the evening of February 5th. The intrepid Southside Vinny went out to field this report.
It's just coming down like crazy. As you can see, I've been out here for a while. It's absolutely, and it's not even really dead out. There's people out, there's people going to the bars and stuff, so yeah, it's kind of how everything measured.
Okay, but you get a sense just from this.
That gives you a pretty good idea. That's from about 5.
By midnight, there was almost a foot of the powder on the ground. Those who ventured out the next day found a city transformed, as parks and playgrounds were turned into winter wonderlands. Of course, all of this brought out the best in some folks who couldn't resist playing in the snow. But there was much more serious issues to be contended with, as the storm caused power outages, down lines, and this light pole outside of a local convenience store to tumble. This local business also suffered damage, as their awning apparently could not stand up to the estimated 24 inches of snow. But it wasn't just snowball fights that kept citizens entertained. There were, of course, the obligatory long lines at the grocery store and getting drunk. For Southside 412, I'm Juicy J.
Slacker! 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 Yay!